आईफा अवार्ड्स की मेजबानी राजस्थान करने जा रहा है। इस बार आईफा की सिल्वर जुबली सिल्वर इज द न्यू गोल्ड थीम पर होगी, जिसमें बड़ी संख्या में सितारे पहुंचने वाले हैं।
First question is 25 years of IFA.
I'm really excited. I'm really looking forward to it because. अच्छा, okay. मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा excited हूँ. क्या करूँ? संस्कृत. तो हम
अच्छा जो भी है बोलो तुमको जो comfortable you just don't interrupt. Just
2000 में they had started this and how Andre, Abbas and Sabas and Viraf, the way they have really come, मतलब इतना बड़ा इवेंट जिस तरीके से 2000 में I think a lot of people must have thought that how to ये कभी इतने सालों तक नहीं चलेगा इतना बड़ा इवेंट, बिकॉज इतने सारे लोगों को, इतने एक्टर्स को, डायरेक्टर्स, प्रोड्यूसर्स एंड ऑल द टेक्नीशियंस सबको लेकर एक अवार्ड शो किसी और सिटी में, किसी और कंट्री में करना, आई थिंक ये मॉड्यूल बहुत नया था उस टाइम. सो आई थिंक फ्रॉम देन जब लोग सोच रहे थे कि ये शायद से नहीं चलेगा ये मॉड्यूल, टू नाउ सेलिब्रेटिंग द 25th ईयर ऑफ द सेम the grandness of this event. I think it's come a long way, and I'm really happy to be hosting this 25th year of IFA, and yeah, it can't get bigger than this.
And along with Karan Johar, Mr. Karan Johar, and I think and a lot of things will also keep adding, which eventually will come out in some time. But as of now, both of us are hosting the 25th IFA Awards.
कार्तिक, if I'm not wrong, 2019 में शायद आपने
देख सकता हूँ ना तब.
हाँ
ठीक.
बोलते हो
अजीब लगता है मैं.
अगर मैं गलत नहीं तो 2019 या 20 में शायद आपने होस्ट किया था एक सेगमेंट, शाहिद कपूर के साथ या किसी के साथ किया.
करेक्ट.
तो वहां से लेकर आप पूरी तरह से इसको होस्ट करना, वो जो जर्नी है, और क्या यादें, अच्छी यादें हैं आईफा की आपकी?
आई थिंक मेरी बहुत अच्छी यादें, परफॉर्म करने की बहुत ज़्यादा यादें हैं, एंड जिस तरीके से सेलिब्रेशन होता है, जिस तरीके से एक ग्रैंडर है इस पूरे इवेंट का, ये बहुत एक उस स्केल पे किया जाता है जो आई थिंक कहीं और नहीं होता. एंड फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट आईफा टिल नाउ, या फिर मेरा भी पर्सनलाइज अगर मैं अपनी बात करूँ, जब भी आईफा में परफॉर्मेंसेज होती हैं वो बहुत सेलिब्रेट की जाती है.
एंड एक लाइव ऑडियंस होती है जिनके सामने आप परफॉर्म कर रहे होते हैं, तो एक अलग ही रश होता है, आप एकदम एक एनर्जाइज्ड रहते हो ऑडियंस के साथ और फैंस के साथ अपने। सो आई थिंक वो बहुत मुश्किल से ऐसे मौके मिलते हैं जो आईफा में मेरी ऐसी मेमोरी रही है वहाँ पे परफॉर्म करने की। अब मैं मेमोरीज बनाऊंगा यहाँ पे होस्ट करने की विद दिस 25th आईफा, एंड आई होप आई डू अ गुड जॉब। आई थिंक मैं सेकंड बेस्ट आईफा करना चाहता हूँ, बिकॉज फर्स्ट बेस्ट शाहरुख सर ने होस्ट किया है, तो उनको बीट करना बहुत मुश्किल है। सो आई थिंक मैं एटलीस्ट उस लेवल तक वो करने की कोशिश करूँ।
शाहरुख की बात की तो शाहरुख इस बार परफॉर्म भी करने वाले हैं इस आईफा में और प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में आने वाले भी हैं, तो क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे उस बारे में?
Again, Shahrukh sir is known to be an entertainer, is known to be someone who captivates the entire audience, and इस तरीके का इवेंट भी कभी होता है तो उनकी होस्टिंग हमेशा से मानी गई है, देखा गया है वो किस तरीके से बात करते हैं, किस तरीके से सबको एंग्रॉस करते हैं ये अपनी होस्टिंग से, अपने डांस से, अपने परफॉर्मेंसेस से। So it's a big thing that he's again performing at IFA, and today he's going to be with us, and I'm really happy to be sharing this space with him.
आज क्या कुछ टिप लोगे होस्टिंग की शाहरुख से?
I hope, मैं तो उनसे टिप्स का मैं पूरा वो किताब लेके जा रहा हूँ उनसे लिखने के लिए कि सर ये आप ये बता दीजिए कि इसके बाद क्या करते हैं, अगर कुछ पॉज लेना है तो किस टाइम पे लेना है, मैं उनसे सारी टिप्स लेने वाला हूँ। अगर so I think he's someone who's really who really always compliments when you are doing a great job and always gives tips when you need them.
इस साल आज राजस्थान में आईफा, व्हाट इज दैट योर मेमोरीज ऑफ राजस्थान वन लास्ट?
मैं भूल भुलैया 2 मैंने वहाँ पे शूट की थी, तो मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही ब्लॉकबस्टर रहा है जयपुर हमेशा से। भूल भुलैया 3 का ट्रेलर इनफैक्ट लॉन्च किया था राजमंदिर में हमने जयपुर में, सो वो भी अगेन वापस वो फिल्म की यादें बहुत ज़्यादा ताज़ी हो जाती है। तो आई थिंक जयपुर मेरे लिए पर्सनली, वहाँ के लोग, वहाँ का खाना मुझे बहुत पसंद है, वहाँ पे जिस तरीके का कल्चर है, बहुत ही कलरफुल कल्चरल एक हेरिटेज है उस सिटी में, एंड द पैलेसेस, द प्लेसेस ओवर देयर, दे आर जस्ट वंडरफुल एंड ब्यूटीफुल। तो आई थिंक वहाँ पे जाना, I think there's no other better place than having this 25th celebration of IFA other than Jaipur.
कार्तिक, आप होस्ट कर रहे हो इस साल जी 2025, तो जैसे एक रेसर को गाड़ी चलाने से रोक नहीं सकते, वैसे आप होस्ट करते करते मतलब आप स्टॉप कर सकते हो खुद को कि आप परफॉर्म नहीं करो? कैन वी एक्सपेक्ट समथिंग कि आप परफॉर्म कर सकते हो, सरप्राइज हो सकता है? सब
हो सकता है आपको सरप्राइज मिले होगी।
एक आखिरी सवाल, शाहरुख खान से आप बहुत इंस्पायर्ड रहे हैं, आपने हमेशा उनकी तारीफ की है, आईफा में उन्होंने परफॉर्म किया, आपने देखा है और होस्ट भी किया उन्होंने, आप होस्ट कर रहे हैं, कहीं ना कहीं ये भी ख्वाहिश होगी कि शाहरुख के साथ आप होस्ट करते आईफा, या शाहरुख खान के साथ किसी फिल्म में काम करने की ख्वाहिश?
100%, मतलब who wouldn't want to do that? मेरे लिए भी बहुत बड़ी बात होगी अगर मैं उनके साथ किसी भी मोमेंट को भी उनके साथ शेयर कर पाऊँ, एंड चाहे वो होस्टिंग हो, चाहे वो एंटरटेनमेंट हो, या फिर कोई फिल्म हो, किसी भी तरीके से। मैंने बहुत उनको हमेशा से ऑलवेज लुक्ड अप टू शाहरुख सर एंड हिज जर्नी, द वे ही इज conquered the entire our whole generation. So I think it's just something I'm always looking forward to, कि कल को शायद से कोई फिल्म भी होगी तो साथ में करना चाहूँगा, कल को अगेन होस्टिंग भी होगी तो वो करना चाहूँगा।
थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।
One last question about call, IFA call.
Hi, Karthik. So as you're hosting IFA, you have won so many awards. So how important are these awards and recognitions as an artist?
I think you always feel validated जब आपको ये अवार्ड्स मिलते हैं, जिस तरीके से एक पूरा साल आप मेहनत करते हैं और उसके एंड में जब ये रिवॉर्ड आपको मिलता है एक अवार्ड की तरह, आई थिंक इट्स अ सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ योर इंटायर मेहनत और हार्ड वर्क दैट यू हैव पुट इनटू योर फिल्म्स और योर वर्क, एंड सो इट्स अ सेलिब्रेशन एंड आई थिंक एवरीबडी फील्स हैप्पी व्हेन यू आर बीइंग वैलिडेटेड in whatever manner, whatever form. So I think that is where its importance comes. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
जब शाहरुख started the shoot
on stage after winning my #DanceWithNora challenge, and after that moment she just grew into her career, so I just feel so happy. Went to Bombay, my initial days, used to watch IFA on TV, and just pray and manifest that one day I'll also be a part of IFA. One day I'll be on the stage, and it actually happened. So I'm feeling very honored to be a part of this.
I'd request you all to please take us down the memory lanes as how IFA became a global phenomenon. Andre, we'd like to start with you, please.
We thought after 25 years we'll make a lot of money. Well, first of all, I want to thank our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister to take our time from Rajasthan and first of all host us. We are a crazy bunch of people when we land there. But, and also I want to thank all our sponsors. I want to thank Shahrukh, Karthik, Nora, and especially Shahrukh for what he did for us in Abu Dhabi. Thank you, sir, very much. I'm very humble because when we went to him, we said, we have to get back the shine of what we do in the awards, in the entertainment space, and take our cinema globally. So thank you very much. And I want to thank our sponsors, Nexa, Shobha, Z District, and all our partners, Criticare, Wordnos, and everybody who's supported us through this journey. And yes, when we started off in Millennium Dome, I remember Shahrukh was part of the first IFA there, and it was very, very unique because it was just for 2,000 people. It was by invitation. And at that time, we didn't know what we were doing, right? Taking so many people into London, creating this event. I think after we finished London, the industry thought that this is never going to happen again. They said, you know, taking 400-500 people for 2-3 days, right? But I think with the industry help, and I have to say that because there's so many events happening, but the one thing we did, we wanted to make sure that we take the industry global and we make sure we make them proud. We set box offices, co-production treaties, and that was our aim. And it's very rare you'll get me on stage to talk, otherwise Sabas hogs the limelight. Sabas, you don't mind, no? So, first of all, thank you very much. And I want to thank the media, thank everybody that supported us. And also, I want to thank Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, who for the first 10 years supported us in working with him and taking Indian cinema globally. So, a big shout out to him and the full industry, Salman, everybody. So, thank you so much, Karthik, Nora, Shahrukh, and even Pooja. Pooja, I don't know where Pooja has gone, but we keep, you know, worrying her. So thank you so much, Pooja. Thank you very much.
5 years have gone. They've gone really very, very fast. I still feel the same. And if you want to understand about the journey, and when you see the AV that we've created of the 25 years journey, you see how gracefully everybody, all our stars and IFA and everybody has, how gracefully they've moved in the last 25 years to what they are today. And the same goes for IFA. Because if you see the images from the younger days of everybody till today in 25 years, it's been an amazing journey. That's one. And yeah, thank you to the entire film fraternity to support us, all the country of hostings, all the government across the world who have actually opened the doors for us and welcomed us and our cinema. So thank you for everything, and thank you media for making it one of the largest and the biggest media property that we have coming out of India. Thank you, Shah Rukh. Thank you, Karthik. Thank you, ma'am. And thank you, Nora, for being here with us and celebrating with us our 25 years. Thank you.
IFA is the International Indian Film Academy. The IFA, it's incidental that it is owned by us. In reality, we've only considered ourselves as custodians. Custodians because IFA is owned by our stars, our film fraternity, the Friends of IFA. IFA is owned by each of our corporate partners who contribute to be able to make it what it is. IFA is what it is because every country has hosted us. And very often we've gone to a city in a country where a Hindi film has never been played in a theater. It's happened in Amsterdam, it's happened in Sun City, it's happened in multiple destinations across the world. And with that began a journey for Hindi cinema. So it belongs to the Hindi film fraternity to promote Hindi cinema. It belongs to every Indian to promote India across the world. And we've managed to do that because it belongs to every journalist, every media person, every TV channel. This is the only event where a media conference is held, where only Film Award, which is not owned by a media channel. It is not owned by a newspaper, not by a TV channel, so everyone is invited. At IFA, everyone is invited, every fan owns IFA, and you own IFA. So really, thank you for letting us do what we do. We believe in our cinema, we believe in our country, and everywhere we go, we hold a flag for India. So we're doing this on your behalf with you, and we're grateful to Shah Rukh, Karthik, dear ma'am, Nora, Mr. Bachchan for those first 10 years, and Shah Rukh came in immediately after that to support us in Toronto and each of those destinations. Every time he comes in, there's another big leap that we managed to get. And really, it's not about just doing an entertainment event. IFA is probably the only one that has looked at issues that concern the world. So you've got the green carpet that we have. You have challenges that we take up, like women empowerment. We've even done things like tree planting, climate change. We work with the United Nations. So it's partnerships across the world. It's delightful to just give you a sense of partnership. It's our 10th year with Nexa as a relationship, and their 9th IFA Awards. So Nexa IFA Awards for the 9th time in a 10-year partnership. Shobha Realty, the 3rd consecutive year in a partnership, which began over a conversation. And each of these relationships across, look at Criticare Hospital that does work with the IFA Foundation, with the film industry workers. It's now already a 10-year relationship. And doing work, yeoman work with workers who have no help, and that's when they step in. So each of these partnerships have been long partnerships, deep relationships, and we're grateful to each one of you for helping us and being there with us. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
And ma'am, I forgot to say something, that we worked with all the countries around the world, New York, Amsterdam, Toronto, Dubai. But I have to say that I've interacted with your team in Jaipur, and they're excellent. They're as good as anybody in the world. They're prompt, you know, because people have this notion about, you know, when you work in India, you do large events, right? But your team has been fabulous. So I just wanted to say this to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you to all three of you. And I want
14 cities. This is the 25th IFA in Jaipur, Rajasthan. Thank you.
25 years of IFA, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Andre. Movie star, but he's an exceptional human being. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, someone who's giving his heart and soul to Indian cinema, giving blockbusters after blockbusters. Can I request Kartik Aaryan on stage as well? Please give it up for Mr. Kartik Aaryan. शाहरुख, जब भी आईफा वाले आपके बारे में बात करते हैं, वो हर बार यही कहते हैं कि शाहरुख हमारे लिए परिवार है, फैमिली है. लंदन में आप थे in the year 2000. बॉलीवुड सितारे तो थे ही. एंजेलिना जोली भी थी, जैकी चैन भी थे. I really want you to walk down memory lane, flashbacks of a few of the IFAs that you've done, and why is it so special for you?
First of all, a very good evening to everyone and a warm welcome to the Honorable Deputy CM, Diya Kumari ji, and all dignitaries and friends who've come from Rajasthan, and of course, all the colleagues here, Nora, Kartik, you, Kanan, and all our media friends and partners and sponsors of IFA. It's always great to come down here. I've been doing this now for, I didn't realize it till actually about 10-15 days back, कि 25 साल से मैं आंद्रे और विराफ और सब्बास के लिए काम कर रहा हूँ. तुम सिर्फ 23 साल से कर रहे हो, और तुम्हें उन 23 साल में जो 2 साल में तुम नहीं थे, एंजेलिना जोली ही याद रही. तुम 2 सालों के बाद आए थे करना, तुम्हें पता है ना. But it's been a great journey. It was too much fun, like Andre said, and Viraf and Sabas. Of course, I have some very fond memories. They've always been very hardworking. I've known them, and in no which way demeaning or deriding the status. At that point in time, I just want to point out the hard work they've been doing. I remember them arranging chairs in different award functions for all of us, being kind to us, showing us warmth, and from the beginning of the show till the end of the entertainment ended, they were always looking after us. So they were bound for doing some wonderful things, and I think the creation of IFA by the three of them and their whole team over the years is a marvelous achievement, taking Indian cinema global. And I've had too much fun, starting from the Dome, then in Toronto. We have some very wonderful memories, some very wild ones which we can't talk about, but they've been good times, and they've only been good times with IFA, and inshallah I pray for them that they continue to take Indian cinema global, put it on a platform which makes us relevant all around the world. It's always been fantastic performing for them, the production qualities, the way they look after everyone, and extremely hospitable and warm people. So when we leave our town, when we leave our country and we go outside, it's really, you know, initially we used to be like, अरे यार न्यू यॉर्क जा रहे हैं, कौन ध्यान रखेगा, कैसा होगा. But they were always there early in the morning to pick us up from the airport, drop us after the show. So it's been a great journey, and as a matter of fact, I've always wondered, said to them कि यार आप हमारे देश में करो. अभी प्रिंसेस दिया कुमारी जी भी यही फरमा रही थी कि हमारा आईफा जो है यहाँ हमारे देश में होना चाहिए. So it's wonderful, no better place than Rajasthan and Jaipur to be hosting this. Just to remind you, because I've been told by them, याद दिला देना लोग भूल ना जाए, 8 और 9 तारीख 9 मार्च 2025 को जयपुर में हमारा शो होगा. तो आप सबको आमंत्रण है, प्लीज़ आइएगा और वहाँ पे हमारे साथ एंजॉय कीजिएगा और इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को सेलिब्रेट कीजिएगा. एंड yeah, it's been really wonderful. I'm in the middle of going to shoot a film, but when they said it's 25 years, I need to be there. So I've rushed here, and I'm hoping and looking forward to being in Rajasthan, in Jaipur, on the 9th of March, and enjoying as we've enjoyed the last 25 years. So thank you, Aifa. Thank you, Andre. Thank you, Viraf. Thank you, Sabas.
एक स्लोगन होती है जो दिल से निकलती है शाहरुख, जहां पे भी जाते हैं. The way the stadium screams, "We love you, Shah Rukh." How many of you say that all the time? Put your hands up, everybody. There you go. Kartik, आप जो भी छूते हैं is becoming a blockbuster, and we are so proud of your journey. और तहे दिल से लगता है कि अपना ही बंदा जीत रहा है और अच्छा काम कर रहा है। पिछले साल शाहरुख ने होस्ट किया और इस साल आप होस्ट करने वाले हैं। Does that make you nervous? What do you feel inside?
आप सवाल ऐसे पूछते हो ऑलरेडी डर लगने लगता है जवाब देने का। I think first of all again good evening everyone. I think it's been a lovely evening amongst all of you and sharing the stage with Shahrukh sir. Thank you sir for being here. Honorable Diya Kumari ji, Nora, Andre, Sabas, Viraf, you've been wonderful as always and Sid Kanan ji, आपने 23 years पूरे किए आईफा पे, तो इनके लिए भी थोड़ी सी तालियां इनके लिए भी कर दीजिए। Yes, I think I'm just too happy to be a part of the 25th anniversary of IFA. होस्ट करने वाला हूँ। I hope कि मैं second best hosting कर पाऊँ because इनको कोई beat नहीं कर सकता। And शाहरुख सर जब भी hosting किए हैं या perform किए हैं, I think he's been at it. He's been wonderful. It's always been like a stadium effect when he comes on stage. So I'm just happy to be a part of this entire association with IFA. It's been a global stage with IFA every time, and finally coming home to Jaipur, to Rajasthan, I think it feels wonderful to be doing it in India and celebrating the wonderful films, the performances of the year, and I'm really looking forward to this. I'm really looking forward to the entire hosting campaign, hosting session, and being on stage at IFA in Jaipur on 8th and 9th of March 2025.
Well, I know you will create magic, Karthik. We believe that. Talia, Karthik le bhi. I had a beautiful observation last time. तो जो लोग hall stage पे आ रहे थे to receive trophies तो उन्होंने लिया, पर सबको एक जादू की झप्पी जरूर चाहिए थी from Shahrukh, and it was so beautiful because every person said, "Hey, I love the trophy, but I want a hug." So thank you, Shahrukh, for all the warmth. Yeah, thank you so much. I'm going to take that mic from both of you, please, क्योंकि एक photo op करना है.
I want to just say that Karthik is going to host this 25th year, the most wonderful and fantastic, just so that I can pass off the mantle to him. तो इसको मैं सिखा देता हूँ कि जयपुर में शुरुआत कैसे करनी है। तो पहले हमको बोलना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि दिया कुमारी जी भी यहाँ पर हैं। पधारो मारे आईफा,
पधारो मारे आईफा,
पधारो मारे देश राजस्थान,
पधारो मारे देश राजस्थान,
एंड खम्मा घनी,
खम्मा घनी।
क्या बात है, थैंक यू, थैंक यू। अब मैं चाहूंगा कि हमारे मीडिया के दोस्तों के लिए आप लोग एक फोटो अपॉर्चुनिटी कर ले। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, शाहरुख खान एंड कार्तिक आर्यन। Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to call Nora on stage as well. Nora for this photo op with Shahrukh and Karthik as well. Nora is going to be there for the IFA Digital Awards with pulsating performances that are going to be coming up. Ladies and gentlemen, Shahrukh Khan, Karthik Aaryan and Nora. Thank you to all three of you. See you in Jaipur, Shahrukh. Thank you, Karthik, as well. Thank you. अच्छा ऐसे अभी भी ट्रेनिंग चल रही है क्या? कार्तिक आप प्लीज बैठिए। अच्छा all right, और भी आएंगे opportunities for
oh my God, I'm supposed to dance?
Okay, I'm going to tell you that later. Hello, that's internal conversation.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Okay, so now Nora, what are those tracks? I'm really curious.
Yes, of course. First of all, good evening to everybody. Thank you for coming today. Good evening. I'm very excited to be a part of the 25th anniversary of IFA. It's Silver Jubilee. It's insane. This will be my 4th time performing back-to-back since 2022, so it's a big deal for me. And this time we're doing it in Jaipur, which is huge. It's nice to see that we're bringing IFA back to India, and this is going to be epic. As for my performance, Let's see. I hope I can beat the other performances I did for IFA. 2022 was an epic one, so this time I'm taking a lot of pressure.
You know what? When pressure comes, you always overcome it. Now, because our friends from the media are people we love, IFA calls them family. यार एक snake वाला जो आपका dance step है, वो कर दो यार, बहुत trend कर रहा है. Who wants to see Nora do a snake step? Put your hands up. Yeah, हो जाएगा ऐसे ही. Imagine music head में आपके. You want me to sing it? मैं बहुत बुरा हूँ यार. Please, okay? So center में, please, Nora, center में. All right. Lights, camera, action. All right, but thank you so much. You are one person who has infectious energy. You want me to try it?
No, I think you should try. Everyone's seen me doing it a million times. Okay, what we gotta do? You gotta drop your head down. Okay, but why are you bending? Be straight. Come down. Yes, very good. Now I want you to roll that stomach once.
How?
No, not the stomach, not the bum, just the stomach. Yes, just roll it in. Very good. Now, after you roll it in, I want you to wave your stomach up. Okay, not bad. What do you guys think? No? It's not good?
Nora, the way you do it, come on, yaar.
You're a sport. Everyone, clap for him. He tried. I love it. Thank you.
इसलिए मेरी वाइफ बोलती है तू डांस मत कर तू बोला कर बस. Thank you, Nora. We're looking forward to Jaipur. Give it up for Nora, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, ताली effective मैम के लिए. नमस्कार मैम.
नमस्कार.
पहले तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं कि आप ओपन आर्म्स के साथ you are inviting IFA to Jaipur. आइफा कितना महत्वपूर्ण है राजस्थान के लिए, जयपुर के लिए और आपके लिए?
सबसे पहले तो मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी आइफा का, सबास, विराफ जी, आंद्रे जी, द होल टीम ऑफ आइफा कि उन्होंने राजस्थान में जो 25वां आपका साल है, सिल्वर जुबली सेलिब्रेशन है, वो आपने वहाँ सेलिब्रेट करने का ये तय किया है और हम सभी के लिए बहुत ही खुशी की बात है, गर्व की बात है और वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट. The whole state, Rajasthan, is looking forward to it. To have to host the IFA Awards, the 25th IFA Awards, it's a great honor and a privilege for us.
मैम, किन का परफॉर्मेंस अब सबसे ज्यादा देखना चाहती है?
सभी का मुझे लगता है कि राजस्थान में इस तरह के इवेंट्स, इतना बड़ा इवेंट, एक जो आपका ग्लोबल स्तर का इवेंट है, वो पहली बार राजस्थान में हो रहा है. तो मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी हमारे मुख्यमंत्री जी का और पूरी टीम का, हमारे पूरे राजस्थान टूरिज्म डिपार्टमेंट का, पूरे राजस्थान सरकार का, सभी का कि उन्होंने इतने जल्दी, बहुत कम समय में हम लोगों ने ये डिसीजन लिया था कि ये करना है और उसके बाद बहुत जल्दी हम लोगों ने इसको ग्राउंड पे लेके आए और फिर डेट तय हुई और बहुत खुशी की बात है कि मार्च में ये होने वाला है, 9 तारीख को, 8 और 9 को. और बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी मैं शाहरुख खान जी का, कार्तिक आर्यन जी का, नौरा जी का कि वो भी होपफुली वहाँ पर आप तो आएंगे ही, आपको तो प्रेजेंट करना है, पर आपके साथ मुझे लगता है कि राजस्थान में एक नई उमंग आएगी. हमारे राजस्थान में इट्स अ फिल्म शूटिंग डेस्टिनेशन एंड वो भी बढ़ेगा, तो हमारे राजस्थान का टूरिज्म बढ़ेगा, हमारे राजस्थान की इकोनॉमी बढ़ेगी, रोजगार बढ़ेगा और वही सरकार चाहती है. हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का जो विजन है पूरे भारत के लिए और राजस्थान के लिए, उसी दिशा में ये भी एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण कार्यक्रम होगा.
थैंक यू रिस्पेक्टेड मैम. और हम लोग बहुत बहुत तहे दिल से एक्साइटेड है, हम वहां पे आ रहे हैं. जैसे कहा आपने 8 और 9 मार्च को आइफा के 25 साल हम आपके साथ सेलिब्रेट करेंगे, आपके लोगों के साथ सेलिब्रेट करेंगे. धन्यवाद and looking forward to the most memorable experience. मैं चाहूंगा कि आप रुके रहें स्टेज पर क्योंकि एक और for the launch of IFA 25 Garden and Tree Plantation I Can Make a Difference Initiative 2025 का cause है IFA Challenge for Green. मैं चाहता हूं आप लोग सब आ जाएं स्टेज पर. जैसे कि आप लोग जानते हैं हर साल हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करते हैं सिनेमा के साथ साथ एक इनिशिएटिव और इस साल है लॉन्च ऑफ IFA 25. IFA Challenge for Green, the 2025 cause, 25 saal of IFA, and what a cause that we're all supporting. Thank you, team IFA. Thank you to the Indian film industry. Ladies and gentlemen, IFA with a heart, IFA with a cause. Thank you so much, all of you, but I request Sabas to please tell us about this initiative that we're doing in Jaipur.
In 2007, long while before anyone spoke about environment, or when everyone was arguing about is climate change for real, that's when IFA changed its red carpet to green, signaling the importance of not just governments and corporates to do work regarding the environment. It was a call to action for all of us, because the environment belongs to us all, and it is our joint responsibility, collective responsibility to look after the environment. And the only way we can do it is reducing our carbon footprint, cutting off plastic, growing plants, growing trees. The Honorable Prime Minister has received honors for having responded to the global challenges and the global call to action by the United Nations, receiving the Champion of Change Award. He brought in different initiatives across the space. IFA in its own way, whilst we reach almost 600 million people across the world with our broadcast and our digital footprint, etc., whilst we entertain the world, have taken on the responsibility to also educate the world and let people know through our platform how important it is to embrace global issues. And our film industry has helped us to use their voice of celebrity to be able to take this message across. Last year we spoke about women empowerment, and Shobha Realty was one of our big supporters campaigning with us. This year we're working with the government of Rajasthan, responding to the government of Rajasthan's call for Haryalu Rajasthan and the Prime Minister's call in that regard. And this response is what we're taking forward. During IFA, these plants, you will find them growing in an IFA 25 garden, which is an immortalization tribute to all the winners of IFA awards over the last 24 years. And the 25th year's winners will also find their honors after the event, the trees planted in their name. So for every winner, there will be a tree in the IFA 25 garden. The first IFA 25 garden anywhere in the world will be in Jaipur. Also, the Challenge for Green, under the Challenge for Green, every person who attends IFA, be it a celebrity, be it a partner, a sponsor, or a ticket buyer, or a guest. Challenge for Green will ensure that a tree is planted in their name in Rajasthan, in the JECC complex, an industrial complex, which will have more than 15,000 trees planted courtesy IFA 25. Okay. Once we move forward, this IFA Challenge for Green is really owned by the government of Rajasthan. I'd love the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Diya Kumariji, to say a few words and give you a deep understanding of what it means to Rajasthan.
Thank you so much. The Challenge for Green is a great initiative that IFA has taken up, and Rajasthan is also a partner with you in that. Like all of us know that our Honorable Prime Minister started the campaign Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam. In that campaign, Rajasthan made history. We were one of the few states who planted more than 1 crore of trees within 12 hours. And that was, we made a record. And we also announced a green budget along with the main state budget. I think that for that is, I think, of course, with the vision of the PM and our Honorable CM, I think we definitely are very, very serious about climate change, about making the changes we need to now for the future of our children, for the next generation, and for saving the environment, protecting the environment, raising awareness. I think campaigns like this, I don't know, of course, it's a huge message that goes across society, across the whole country, that yes, everyone is together in this fight, and it is a fight. I think we need to very seriously do this now, otherwise it's going to be very late. So I'm very, very happy that we are doing this together.
Just want to let you know, the green budget, ma'am is the finance minister of Rajasthan. So we can give her really a round of applause on that. You would have seen a car parked outside the press conference where everyone's taking pictures. You are only the second set of people seeing that particular car. It is the Nexa e-Vitara. After the Prime Minister saw it in the Auto Expo, we are privileged to be the first, and this is the first EV that is a green vehicle from Maruti Suzuki India Limited. So really a special day for all of us. Thank you Parthu-san, thank you Bhuvan-san, thank you team for having brought it out here to showcase it. Thank you. Thank you everybody.